At December 23, 2019, National Railway Group. The report card on China's railway construction in 2019 has been officially released. By the end of this year, China's railway mileage is expected to reach 139,000 kilometers. Among them, the mileage of high-speed railway will reach 35,000 kilometers, ranking the first in the world. This is a world miracle that belongs only to China. At present, China's high-speed railways basically cover provincial capitals and cities with a population of more than 500,000. The eastern, central, western and northeastern regions are all interconnected. Marks the formal completion of China's 4 vertical and 4 horizontal strategic planning. Is steadily to 8 vertical 8 horizontal forward. If the 4 vertical and 4 horizontal lines connect the big cities, the 8 vertical and 8 horizontal lines are to further improve China's high-speed rail network, making high-speed rail networks between major cities even denser, and the formation of interregional fast and large capacity channel. And each of the 8 vertical and 8 horizontal lines is longer. Investment is in the hundreds or even hundreds of billions. I don't know if you've ever seen a total length of more than 2,000 kilometers. 350 kilometers per hour of high-speed rail? 8 vertical and 8 horizontal Baotou high-speed railway is one of them. Baotou high-speed railway is also known as the Baotou dedicated passenger line. It is the main channel of China's medium and long-term railway network. Baotou, Inner Mongolia. All the way south through Yulin, Yan'an, Tongchuan, leading to 11 and Hub. After the station across the Qianling Mountains, through Ankang into Chongqing. Then South Guiyang and Shanghai Kuanyang Railway Guiyang North Station and Station. From Guiyang North Station to Zhanjiang, Guangdong Province via Gannan High-Speed Railway. Across the Huaiyangzhou Strait to Haikou, Hainan Province. The whole line runs from north to south across China. The total length of the Baotou high-speed railway will reach 2,300 kilometers. The total investment is expected to reach 420 billion yuan. It is a western high-speed railway channel carrying China's strategy. It is also the world's longest high-speed railway. Baotou high-speed railway involves 8 provinces and regions in China. It is expected to cover more than 32% of China's population and 25% of its economy. It connected Inner Mongolia, Guangzhou, Chengyu, Central Guizhou, Biabu Gulf, Pearl River Delta and other city clusters. Not only can drive 11 and Chongqing, Guiyang and other tourist culture. It can also enhance the interaction and communication of the economic circle of the major urban agglomeration. It is of great significance to promote the economic development of minority areas. The 420 billion Baotou high-speed railway will also generate trillions of economic returns for China in the future. Because Baotou high-speed railway involves many provinces, it will encounter a variety of complex geological environments and alpine routes. So you can imagine the difficulty of building. However, China has built high-speed railways in different geological climates. Taking the Qianling Mountains as an example, the Shicheng high-speed railway is 658 kilometers in length. The proportion of bridges and tunnels is as high as 92.1%, with a total length of 135 kilometers across the Qianling Mountains. For the first time, a large gradient of 25% was applied in the tunnel group. This is for the traction brake and power supply of the bullet train. And operational safety has a major impact. China Railway First Survey and Design Institute specifically to carry out a large slope research on special length tunnel and high-speed railway of tunnel group. Finally, the Qianling section was successfully opened up. This is also a new attempt to modernize the high-standard railway in mountainous areas of China. In the future, the Baotou high-speed railway will cross the Qianling Mountains. The construction technology of Shicheng high-speed railway can be directly introduced. In addition to passing through the Qianling Mountains, China also has a wealth of experience in the construction of high-speed railway on the plateau. The Lanzhou-Xinjiang high-speed railway is one of them, with a total length of 1,775.7 kilometers. Designed for a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. From Lanzhou West Station to Urumqi Station. Its biggest problems are altitude and temperature. Lengths and high-speed railway passes the 4 wind areas. The 100-mile and 30-mile winds are the strongest. In some sections, maximum winds reach 60 meters per second, equivalent to a force 17 gale. To this end, the railway builders built reinforced concrete wind barriers in the Gobi section. H-shaped steel columns were installed in 124 bridges. And a corrugated steel plate with holes. These windbreaks ensure the safety of the trains. In addition, the Lengson High-Speed Railway adopts CRH2G EMUs. The body of the EMU is made of cold-resistant material. Can better adapt to the cold environment, can withstand the plus or minus 40 degrees of high temperature. The CRH2G EMU is also known as the Alpine Warrior. In the future, Bato High-Speed Railway is expected to use this type of train. Except for inland connectivity. The Bato High-Speed Railway is also the most convenient and fast way for Hainan to contact the inland areas. With the construction of Nansha Islands. In the future, you can take the high-speed train directly from the northernmost part of China to Hainan. Then transfer to the Nansha Islands for travel. In addition, Hainan's marine resources can reach inland China. Even if you're in the middle of nowhere. Many of the seafood of the South China Sea can be eaten in a few hours. 350 kilometers per hour is less than 10 hours even if you run the whole distance. This is the charm of the Bato High-Speed Railway.